Okay, hello everybody. Going to make another tutorial for you. This one is how to make a token for your Roll20 games. A lot of people have asked me how. First thing, you need the tools for the trade. So an image manipulation program. There's loads of them that are free on the internet. The one I like to use is called GIMP, and you can get that free online. So I'll just open it up. It's kind of like Photoshop, but a free version of it. Whatever one you choose, you need to make sure that it can handle transparency. So the method I'm going to show you is sound for whatever program you're using, but I'm going to show you it through GIMP. So first you want to open the file that you're going to use. Now my player sent me this picture, and I think if you ask your players to send you a picture and then you make a token from it for them to use in your game, I think it really helps them to sort of get into the game and get into the feel of their character. It's something nice to do, and you can even email them the token afterwards as a keepsake if you feel inclined. So we're going to select this one. So this character wanted to be a Kenku Bard, so he sent me this picture here. First thing we're going to do is select the area we want to make the token out of. So keep an eye down here, you'll see the pixels. We need to make it square at this point, so it's a circular tool, and we'll draw out the area here. There we go. We'll just edit and cut. So we've got that. Now we don't want the rest of it, so we'll just get rid of that. Set up a new page. Now I said remember the pixels, just so that we can type it in here and the page will be the right size. Makes life a little bit easier, a little bit neater. So there it is. Then we paste the bit we cut out into there. There it is. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is make a nice border around the edges. I think it finishes the picture off. For player characters I like to use a green, which I've already got selected, and NPCs I tend to use red. So we're going to use the same tool, the same circle selection tool. So just drag it around the picture again. Nice and easy to do. And this time we're going to select the paintbrush. You can change the brush size here. Hold it over here, that's roughly how big the border is going to be around the edge. Okay, so go up to edit, and this time we're going to press stroke selection. This brings up this box. Make sure this little thing's checked in here. Stroke with paint tool, press stroke, boom, there it goes. So now what we need to do is make sure these white bits are going to be transparent, otherwise it's still going to be a square token and we want it circular. So you need the colour select tool, which is here. Click it on the white. So you've selected the white area. We're going to go layer, transparency, add an alpha channel. Click back on the white, press the delete button, and it takes the white out. So anything in this checkered area, or anything that is checkered, will now be invisible or transparent. So here's your circular token. All we need to do now is just save it. So we're going to go save as. I'm going to call it Ken for shortcut. And we'll save it into the picture folder, then I'll know where to find it. That's quickly saved into there, and now it saves it as a GIMP file on here, XCF or something like that, but we're going to need it to be a PNG to upload it into Roll20. So go down to export as. It's the same thing up here, same file name Ken, but this time it's a PNG. If it wasn't, you could go down here, just select that and change the file type to PNG. PNG is a file type that supports transparency, so that's the one you need. Click on export, click it again, there you go, job done. It's saved it into your picture folder, and that is the end of the process. In the next tutorial I'll show you how to upload that from your picture folder in your computer and put it onto Roll20. Okay, but that in essence is how to make a token. I hope it's helped. Take care guys, bye bye.